lot of catamarans here. Seems like they're getting more popular just because it's like a floating hotel. But you don't really get the same experience, apparently. Garth repairs proper sailing boats. Currently on the motor, but we think there might be some wind there because the water looks a bit rougher. Sort of see a different contrast. So we've got some wind coming. You can see the dark. You see the dark. What you'll see is you'll see the sail pick up once this wind hits us. Okay, so it's okay. That's a wind channel there. You probably hear the wind now as well. Yeah. 6 knots. What was it before? 1 knot to 6. We will be passing HVAR soon, round about there. Popping pills, a week's supply of vitamins. So that's HVAR. We're just going to go buy it on this island here, currently on autopilot, and then we'll go around there and put the sail back up, jib back up. So we're now 1 day's sailing from our home journey, I guess. We're split there in the distance. Using the 3 guys. And so we'll finish our trip way over there. Since most people rent from Saturday to Saturday, you can see there's a lot more boats here heading back to Split. So Captain Garth, what do you think of motor sailing like these guys are doing?
Well, there's a time for it, but this is not it.
So we're planning to go to Salta tonight, and that's where we'll try and find a place to stay, and then we'll go to Split the next day. What's that, 13 knots of wind? Apparently faster than that boat that's motoring right now. Good speed this yacht, good efficiency. Is that one over there going faster than us, the same speed? So got a slight issue here. We're all heading back towards that gap in the middle there, and all the other boats are going the same direction to get home on Saturday. So how are we going to play this, Captain?
Just going to get plenty of room. Make sure that this guy, he needs to give way to us. We need to keep going straight. So we need to stand up.
Yeah. Yeah. This guy should give way. Let's see what he does. Because he's on the motor, we under sail. Here come the waves.
Joko, can you ease this main sheet just a little bit?
This one?
This one here. I want beam reach, so I want it just to go out just
Bob?
3 degrees.
So we're currently in between Brack and Salta Islands, and the wind's kind of done the same as it is when we first left Split. It's kind of died down just when we've gone past the lee of these islands here, so we'll probably have to motor the rest of the way. And then tomorrow we'll sail into Split, which you can see to the distance. Ferry at 6 o'clock, John, what's the game plan?
The game plan is that we keep a steady course, and the ferry needs to avoid us if it wants to overtake us.
And what if it doesn't and want to avoid us?
Well, we put our thingy jigs on. Well, you have anyway.
I'm not fancying my chances if that thing goes over the back of us though. At some point we have to say, okay, we need to get out of the way.
No, it's up to him to
the ferry decided to go on our port side, and they all lived happily ever after. So this is a ferry that was behind us for a little bit, and I was a little bit worried about them staying behind us, but they obeyed the laws of the seas and decided to not run us over and pass us on the port side. Cruise ship there, ferry. So this is how a sail works. This is a jib, or it's called a head sail, and basically the wind goes by on the other side there and creates low pressure, and the sail gets sucked. Also, don't sit there when you make a video like that, because that thing there slapped me in the head. Here are our guests coming to visit us today. Managed to arrange a place to meet. This is our going to shore bag that we put our valuables in when we go in the dinghy.
Contagious. You can get addicted.
Yeah, I can see why people get addicted to sailing. So we just had a meal with my friends. We're going to take our little boats here, and we're parked about 100 metres away. So I got invited into Captain Peter's larger boat. I'm just going to have to show you how big. Thanks very much, Captain Peter.
Hey Nikos.
He's a bit camera shy right now, but we'll get there. Look at the amount of space there is here. Unbelievable.